Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is dropshipping with Wix tutorial for beginners. So here we are on wix.com. In this video I'm going to show you how can we easily set up our online store on Wix. So now I'm going to create an account, or I'll just log in. As for me, this is the easiest variant to continue with Gmail. And now we'll come to our dashboard. From this page here, we can easily interact with all the websites we have. As you can see, now I have 2 of them. If you click on more, we have some options here. We can rename site, change owner, add collaborators, duplicate, move to folder, or move to trash. So this is like quite simple to interact with an existing website, but how can we create new and the online store? So in order to create, we can just simply click on create a new site in the right top corner right up here. And we'll come to next page where we need to decide what are we going to create. So what kind of website are you creating? I'm going to paste the online store here, but you can simply skip in the right bottom corner. In my case, I'm going to use the online store. So let it be like this. And what's the name of your store? I'm going to name it the name of our channel, Helperman. So let it be like this, but you can also skip this part in the right bottom corner. It's only for like making it easier for us to find the template. So what do you want to add to your website? Here I'm going to click on skip also, cause we can easily add it a little bit later. So now everything is done. Basically, we can go to our dashboard, but I honestly prefer to click on begin with a template. So firstly, we'll have to create a template so we can easily use. And now we can find a lot of templates we can now use for free. All of them are available. And as you can see, we have like 11 pages of stores we can simply use, like slime store, store with some other stuff like back store, as you saw, t-shirt store, and so on, face mask shop. So we can find a lot of different categories, a lot of different templates we can simply use. But as for me, we can use any basically template, because we will, we will change the design, we will add our own product. So if you're going to use the toy store, it doesn't matter, we can easily create maybe the t-shirt store on it. So let's click on view to view the design. How does it look like? And it looks pretty good. Like the design is really easy to understand, and all this stuff is right up here. And what is more is that this template is totally responsive. So if we'll switch to a mobile phone, we'll still be able to interact with products, to buy them and do some other stuff. So let's click on edit this site, and this template will be successfully added as the main template for our website now. And in a few seconds, everything will be set up and we'll be able to interact with our products, to interact with our design. And the first thing I wanted to show is that after creating the website, I honestly all the time go to site design here, and I'm going to customize the color scheme. So I can easily change the color palette of the whole website. So it's not necessary as for me to interact with every single color. I can find the number of related colors and I can use them, so it will be easier to change. And moreover, when everything is done, I can now switch to text theme. So I can go to, for example, text, and we can easily interact with the text here. So if it's necessary, you can do the same. So now I'm going to show you how can we manage our products. And in order to manage the products, all we need to do is just to simply open the page with products, and from this page we need to click on manage products right up here. So we'll come to this page, and this page is the most important on the which divides the stores and non-stores. So is that we can add the products right up here, and as you can see, after clicking on manage products, we can now discover all the products we have. We can delete them by simply hovering in the right side, click on more. We can edit, duplicate, or delete. So if you want to delete, we can just simply delete them. In order to create a new product, we can edit an existing one, click on edit, and then just change all the information which is described here. So we can change the photos, we can change the name, description, we can change the additional information, add pricing, make it on sale or not, show price per unit or not, want. So there are a lot of things that we can easily customize with Wix builder, and in the right side there is also some information. We can promote this product, we can edit CEO settings, and so on. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on save, and our product will be automatically like saved. And if we need to create a new one, we can just simply click on plus, use like physical product template or digital file. In my case, let it be, for example, physical product. And now we need to add the information, images, videos, name, description, pricing, custom text, product options, and so on. So all this stuff is described right up here. Moreover, we need to connect the payment method. So if you haven't connected payment method, customers won't be able to pay you. So we need to click on add payment method, and we can also switch to settings here to find all the things we need to set up. So we can find the e-commerce settings, tax, and accept payment. So we need to come here, and as you can see, now we can connect like PayPal, manual payments, accept credit or debit cards with Wix, which is recommended. And we can also discover some more things like PaySafe, ICX Pay, bank contact, point of sale, and so on. But the most popular, of course, are like credit and debit cards and PayPal. So we can easily connect them through these stuff here. For example, for PayPal, we can just simply click on connect, then just do some more stuff we need to understand. And also we can manage a lot of different stuff in dropshipping business. From this page here on our dashboard, we have the billings and payments, analytics and reports, marketing, and CEO. So all the information could be found on this page here. And the same thing, if you'll come to our dashboard in the left, we'll just click on like simply a Wix logo here. We can now go to dashboard. So let's click on done, publish. And now we can go to our dashboard. Okay, wait a sec, go to dashboard. And from this page here, we can also interact with all this stuff. As you can see, we have the store products where we can find products, inventory, categories, back in stock requests, find products to sell, and so on. And the same information is available right up here. So if you don't want to use the editor to find these pages, you can do it right up here. So this is like a small tutorial of how can we set up all this stuff related to online store. And if you want to find more information about the creating the designs for the online store or do some other stuff, you can try to watch my other tutorials about Wix. For this video, that's all. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.